Hey guys and gals, I'm back with another fantastic passive and active earning opportunity, and this time this is Tronchain, and believe me, this platform can change your life, and this video can be also a life-changing video for you if you decide to invest here and to work with them. In my point of view, I found this is one of the best site and trustworthy site as well, where you can invest and you can earn with the continuity, not like Forsage. Even the Forsage is a very good site where you can earn a lot of money, but there you need to wait for the new members when they will invest, and you will have some spillovers or direct commissions like that. But there is no issue, no problems like that. Here you will be earning with the continuity here. For example, if you will invest 100 TRX here, then you will be earning 1% of your investment. That is 1 TRX on the daily basis. I'm giving the example of 100 TRX because you cannot invest less than 100. And for example, if you will invest 1,000 TRX, that is not more than $20 or $25. So you will be earning 10 TRX daily. So it depends on you how much you want to invest. So in this video, we are going to see that how this platform works. I'll show you the demonstration, the live demonstration, how you can invest your Tron using your Tron Link wallet. If you don't have configured the Tron Link wallet, then do configure it in your browser. If you don't have the link to install the Tron Link wallet, you can just Google it, and you will find the link for that. Now I'm going to show you the live demonstration how to get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you have selected the right wallet and you have a sufficient balance to join this platform. I have 2020 TRX, so I'm going to invest 2000 TRX here. Therefore, I need to click 2 times this button, that is the 1K TRX. You can see that it is showing 2000. Now I will click on the join button. Now it will ask for the permission, and here it is also showing my sponsors referral link. I can also edit this referral link. I've also shared my referral in the video's description. If you want to join this platform, you should use that referral and make sure that it should be visible here. Now I'm just going to click on the join button, and now it is communicating through a smart contract with my Tron Link wallet. So I need to click on the accept. Transaction was successfully sent. Now I can confirm it from my TRX, the Tron Link wallet. You can see that 2000 TRX have been deducted and the transaction is showing successful. And now I can also confirm it from my personal statistics as well. First of all, for that I need to scroll down, and here you can see these are the site statistics. For example, how many TRX have been invested on this site, and the total amount have been withdrawn by the members, the smart contract balance, and etc. Now I'm just taking you to my personal statistics, and these are my personal stats, and this is my countdown for next income. I'll be earning 310% TRX, and my daily income will be 1%. If I'll earn any direct referral income, that will be shown here. My matching bonus will be shown here. The top sponsor rewards will be shown here, and my total withdrawal amount that I will withdraw will be shown here, and this is the unwithdrawn amount. And to withdraw, I can click here. And at this time I have insufficient balance because I've just invested. It is showing the insufficient balance, and this is my total investment, that is 2000 TRX, and I will be earning 6200 TRX, that is 310%. This is my referral link. You can see this is not visible in most of the browsers. It is difficult to see this link. However, if you will click on the copy, then it will be copied, and I'm showing you that it is copied and it is working. Ladies and gentlemen, these are my details to join this platform.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Reed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.